Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name's Imogen Rose and I have finally got my hands on the Dawson and Jeffree Star palette. It was tense, it was tough. I didn't think that it was going to happen. It took me 3.5 hours last night of refreshing, changing to my laptop, changing back to my phone, changing to my laptop again, refreshing, going to the Jeffree Star website, going to Beauty Bay. Literally, it was stressful, but we got there. I genuinely gave up at one point, and then I saw someone 2.5 hours later actually get their hands on the palette, and so about 3 hours later, I got it. And it's here, and it's literally the next day. Paid for next day delivery because I just wanted to get my hands on it super fast. Oh, and I'm matching. Oh my God, I didn't actually plan this, but I forgot that that's the... Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at the packaging. By the way, ignore what I look like. I'm actually going to do my makeup. This is going to be a very average Joe does her makeup with the Conspiracy palette. So if you're also an average Joe and you're not a beauty blogger or YouTuber, then continue watching, because Imogen's going to be sat here with her dirty brushes and her non-existing makeup skills. But most people are average Joes. We're all average Joes that are going to be buying this. I'm so excited. I cannot believe that I actually match the palette. I matched the palette to my top. I didn't mean to do that. Because that's going to be... Oh my God. Oh my God, it actually feels so... I mean, this, I'm not going to lie, this is the most expensive makeup item I've ever purchased. I've never spent more than £15 on an eyeshadow palette. But look at the detail. Worth it, isn't it? And obviously it's vegan and cruelty free. You've got all of the detailing, the writing on the back. And I love the way it opens as well. Are we ready? Are we ready to open it? Dun, dun, dun. Oh my God, I'm so excited. But look at that yellow. Look at that yellow. Oh my God, it looks beautiful. Okay, the ones I'm most excited about is Cheese Dust, the corally orangey colour. Food Videos, that yellow, because I don't own any eyeshadow like that. And then obviously the Tanacon and Diet Root Beer at the top. I'm not even going to try and be a beauty blogger. I'm just going to say brown tones. I'm excited. Let's dig in. Should we swatch them? Because I've never owned, you can tell how excited I am. I have never owned any like high quality... I mean, obviously, I've owned like quality makeup, but not like this. I've seen the swatches of some of these, and they just look insane. So I'm gonna swatch Trisha. I don't even want to ruin the. Oh my God. Okay, there's Trisha. Hi, Trisha. Wow, you are doing things, aren't you? Oh my God, actually maybe I should go for a pink makeup look today. Okay, let's do Food Videos. Oh my God, look how pigmented that is. Oh my God. Oh, you can't really see it because it's not close enough. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, right, okay. We're going to go in. We're going to go in and we're going to make an eyeshadow look. And I'm going to show the average Joes, just like me, that we can wear this eyeshadow. Don't even look at my eyeshadow brushes because I'm just warning you, okay? I'm just warning you. Right, okay. I'm going to go in. Do you know what? I'm just going to go in. I'm going to go in with Trisha. I'm going to go in with Trisha and we're going to just see what it looks like on the lid. God, I'm so excited about this. Wow. Wow. Look at that. I'm not even putting hardly anything on. Oh my God. This is like... By the way, I've never owned anything Jeffree Star, so... Obviously, if I'm really excited about like the quality of this, it's because I've never owned anything like this before. I am obviously an OG Shane Dawson fan. I'm 27, so I'm a similar age to him. So I've been a fan for a long time. I think he started making videos in, was it 2008? And in 2008, I was in, I want to say I was in college. Was I in college? I think so. Oh my God, this is unreal. This is actually unreal. Like, I'm actually ruining it because I've got a dirty brush, so it's putting some like warmer, some kind of warmer brown on. But look at the pigment. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh! Okay, now I'm gonna be a bit daring and I'm gonna put food videos, the bright yellow, underneath here. I know I'm no beauty blogger, so don't judge me on my makeup look. But I just want to try like the most vibrant colours and just see what we can create. Okay, that brush needs washing. But we haven't got time for that, so let's just go in. Okay. Oh no, this is going to be... Oh wow. Oh, I need a thinner brush, but I don't have one down here. Oh my Lord. I genuinely think this is like the best eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. And I'm not just saying that just because it's Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. Ow. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I didn't want to bore you with my terrible makeup skills. So I went and did my eyeliner, did my eye mascara. Because really it's all about the palette, isn't it? It's not about the mascara or the shocking eyeliner that Imogen does. But is this wearable for the average Joe? Yes, I think so. Obviously, I've created like a bit of an extreme, like very colourful look that's not your everyday makeup look. But I feel like this is a good look for if you're going out, going to a party, or you just want to be really colourful. And I feel like it really clashes with my hair colour. So I wanted to go with a very clashing look. I have just realised that I kind of regret not using the oh my God, why can't I speak? Illuminati shade, which is like it's a green, but it's a very dark green. And I love that black shade as well. So I feel like that would be a very nice create a smoky look, those two. What other ones do I feel like these are obviously all very, these are a lot more wearable for the daytime. And then obviously you could mix in a couple of these for the daytime, or the orange shade, which is called Cheese Dust. But I think my favourite shade of the whole palette, I'm just gonna swatch these two. Oh wow, yeah. Imagine them. Oh, imagine them as a like party look. Oh my God, that would just look beautiful. Okay, so that's my finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you got the palette if you wanted the palette. I know that it was a very stressful evening. I just kept on going on Twitter and reading everyone's tweets because everyone was like, oh my God, my card said it declined my card and then it took 6 payments out, which is ridiculous because some people, that'll be like their money for their month, and then are they actually going to get the money returned straight away? I hope so. So it was a very stressful time, and I genuinely didn't think I was going to get my hands on this because I'm the kind of person that is very unlucky in these situations, and it just doesn't work for me. So I'm so glad that I managed to get my hands on this. I approve. I feel like it is worth the money because of the quality of the products, and obviously it's vegan and cruelty free. I just think it's a very high quality piece that is worth the money. And yeah, and everyone kind of knew that it was going to go down the way that went down because of the millions of views that series went on for. Like, it was just hooking, wasn't it? It was gripping. I just wanted to keep watching it. And it was really interesting seeing the business side of it. I don't know about you, but I really find that fascinating. Seeing like the ins and outs of how they created it and all the business meetings and everything like that. That fascinates me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a little like and leave me a little comment if you managed to get your hands on this, or if you're gonna try and get one in the next release. I'm assuming they're gonna release it again because all of Jeffree's other palettes are on his website, so I don't know why they wouldn't do that because this is such a massive launch. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.